Yo guys, what's up? Most of y'all probably recognize me from my dad's cooking show, but lately I've been writing music because that's what I'm really passionate about. The song I wrote for y'all today is just something that I want y'all to listen to, whether it's a rainy day, whether you feel like just the world's crashing around you, it doesn't matter. This song is perfect for any occasion. So I hope y'all enjoy it. I want you to like and subscribe and share with all your friends and help them out on their rainy days. Love you guys.
We get sap on the
I feel him coming, I see him running. He think he's something, boy you ain't nothing.
Get up on my face, I'm protected under grace. In my life you have no place, cause the only one I praise. Come at me and throw your shade, feeling strong, I bet you fade. You don't know the price he paid, it's his life, he get a day. Tell the devil not today, tell the devil go away. Tell him he ain't got no chance, cause my Lord God says. Tell him that he better run, cause the Father and the Son got me set on fire, got me hotter than the sun. I'ma do it all for fun, I ain't finished till it's done. If it ain't good for God, then it ain't good enough. It's for him that I'm living, it is done, I'm forgiven. Catch me here, I'll be giving devil airs like a villain. Not today, not today, nah, nah. Not today, not today, nah, nah. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever again. No, no, not today, not today. Nah, nah, not today, not today. Nah, nah, not today, not tomorrow, not ever again. No, 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 I never understand. Why don't you get it? I know that you feel it. Invincible, I skill it. Not today like KB. Devil, do you hear me? Let me say it clearly. Hopefully you will see. You have no power. Boy, you are weak. You think that you loud, but I do not hear a peep. So you got words, but talking is so cheap. And I only feel my God, so call me Jesus freak. You don't understand. I'm safe in his hands. He's got me some plans, so quit saying you demands. Cause you 6 feet underground. I don't hear a sound. God's got you on your leash like you straight up from the pound. Have a take this L. Have a stay in hell. Cause every time you come up, you always gonna fail. I'm with God, that's a win. Gave me power over sin. Now your boy going in, that's the end. Hall of Fame. Not today, not today, nah, nah. Not today, not today, nah, nah. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever again. No, no, not today, not today, nah, nah. Not today, not today, nah, nah. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever again.